What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. We got the blue bike in the back. It is time to head to the city I gotta take off this fender right here. So I think I'm gonna take the fender off after I get it registered and everything. I gotta go to the DMV today as well. So we're gonna go to the DMV, get that all inspected and everything should be good to go. And then after that, we'll go to LA, probably take off that fender, throw the fender and that other little piece in the paint shop at Antonio's, and then hit the road on the way back. And then by the time next week comes, maybe right before the little Valentine's Day trip, we should be all ready to go. So need to load this thing up and get up out of here, man. So let's do that right now. And if you haven't already, visit everythingsregular.com. You see, I'm everything's regular, head to toe. We're going up, man. Let's get it, though, dog. All right, so just realized after I freaking take it down there, I'm gonna have to freaking take off the fender and everything once I get down there, and then pretty much gonna have to load it back up. So I think I'm gonna have to I'm gonna wait till next week when it's all done to take it in and get all that stuff switched over, so I don't have to load this up right now. But I think I am gonna take this fender off real quick. That'll probably be the easiest thing to do. Now, I know Antonio can probably do the body work with it on the bike like this, but I don't know. And just like that, that ain't go as planned. That's why I don't like working on shit right there. Nigga, whole bike was done. Now I gotta deal with this bullshit, dude. Fucking strip the bolt. Literally one bolt can't get to my fucking fender now, because of fucking one measly ass fucking bolt. So I don't know, dog. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it, and you could too. Don't know. This is why I don't like working on my shit, man. Shit is irritating. One fucking bolt, dog. So now I got that strip. Can't get that out. Pretty much just gonna put it back together and say, fuck it. Man, y'all don't understand this fucking bullshit, dude. So as much as I want to pull this fender off and take it to Antonio, I think it's going to be a burnt mission if I load it up and do all that. Now, I want to get the registration and everything for the bike, but I'm planning on getting another bike today. So I think I'm going to be spending too much money if I jump the gun. So with doing all that, man, I just wasted like literally 30 to 45 minutes on literally doing nothing. But I don't know, dog. We got a freaking strip bolt. I know it's not the biggest deal, but it's literally holding us up from what we need to do. So I don't know. I think I'm just about to go to the DMV, forget this, and go on about our day today. All right, man, so we got this thing loaded up. I was gonna leave it, but I'm just like, man, I'm going to the DMV anyway. I might as well get this out the way so I don't have to worry about it when I do come back. So we'll see how it work out, man. But let's hit this road and get up out of here, dog. Alrighty, y'all, we just pulled up to California Highway Patrol. Let's see how it goes. All right, so they said we gotta go to the DMV first, and then from there, we have to go get a brake and light inspection. Now, I don't know if we may be able to get that today or not, but I'll definitely try. All right, man, so we just pulled up. I gotta offload this real quick and get this light inspection so we can hurry up and get back to CHP before they close. So, man, I'm gonna try to do this real quick, get this light thing and load it right back up. That's the crazy part, man, but it is what it is. Let's get it in. So we got the bike offloaded, waiting for them to do their job. Hopefully it don't take forever. And I think in the midst of this, we won a new bike at Copart, man. So if you guys are watching this video, you guys got a quick little insight of what's to come. But I think it is ready to go. Alrighty, guys, all loaded back up on the highway. We got about 20 miles before we get back to the highway patrol, so we can get this VIN verification. And then depending on if we freaking get done with that fast enough, we could go back to the DMV right there and get our registration, but I don't think we're gonna have enough time. We're already cutting it kind of close, but we'll see what happens, man. We got the most important stuff out the way. If we can just get this VIN check out the way, that'll be more than perfect, because when we come back down, we can just stop at a DMV and get our like plates and all that. So let's hurry up and try to get back to Barstow and see if we can get done, man. Made it back. Now they just gotta come out and do a VIN check, and we should be good to go to the DMV at least. So now that we got that done with literally 15 minutes to spare, we're gonna try to get in this DMV really quick. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and get the plates and the registration right now while I'm down here. It'll be that much easier. So I'm gonna try to do this last little thing, and then we can chill out and just put this thing on cruise mode. So if this lady will get out of our way, braking and stuff, we can hurry up and park and get in line. And just like that, we got plates and registration for both cars. We good. Uh-oh. I hope they don't come out tripping. Next day here, man, we done made it back. Got everything situated with the bike. So now we just waiting on the title in our name for that. Everything with that should be situated. Got the little one over here, literally about to try to pull out everything. Huh? Which one? This? But she don't even know. We about to go right back in the house. But we got everything going with this, man. So long, Oregon. We'll get that together, and then our fender piece should be getting dropped off today to Antonio to get painted. So we'll see what's up with that. But you guys already know how it goes, man. It was definitely worth the trip. Got our brake and light inspection and everything else to go with it. So that's a plus, man. I'm digging it. What do you guys think about it? Let your boys know in the comments below. So alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. We got a lot of stuff done today. Got the baby out here thinking she about to ride her Harley out and about with no shoes, man. So gotta hurry up and keep this short. But you guys already know, man. I appreciate you guys tuning in. We almost won a bike. It was a bike on pure sale, but literally as soon as we won it, they said on approval, and they wanted like 900 extra bucks. So right now, probably not, but I know it's gonna come back down, so I'm just gonna wait for that to happen. So we'll just have to see what's gonna happen with that, man. But we got a ride coming up, so need to get the bike all cleaned up and tidied up, man. So let's get it in. But until then, man, I'll catch you on the next one, man. Peace out.